So let's now understand right circular cone. Let us see a few examples of right circular cone from our day-to-day life. So the examples which we can consider is first ice cream cone, the best example of a right circular cone. Next we can have conical candles as the example of right circular cone. Third we have sand cone as the example of a right circular cone. Let's proceed further and now let us see geometrical figure of a right circular cone. This is the geometrical figure of a right circular cone in front of us. Let's understand it in detail. We can say that a right circular cone has two faces. Out of the two faces, one face is circular. Observe, we have the circular face and the other face is curved. So this is the curved face of a right circular cone. Now let's talk about the dimensions. We can say that a right circular cone has radius r. Observe, this is the radius r. Second, we can say it has perpendicular height h. This is perpendicular height h, and it also have a slant height L. So this is the slant height L of the right circular cone. Let's proceed further and now let us understand some formulae related to a right circular cone. Let's start with curved surface area of a cone. Observe on the screen. We have a sector whose radius is equal to capital R. So this is the radius of the cone. Yes, rather the sector, and it is equal to capital R. Second, we can say that its length of arc is equal to capital L. So this is the length of the arc of the sector and it is capital L. Further, now let's understand and let us fold this sector to form an open cone. So observe, we have fold the sector to form an open cone. Let us say that the radius of the cone is small r. We have the height of the cone, yes, small h, and we have the slant height of the cone, yes, small l. Now, the moment we fold the sector to form an open cone, we understand that the area of the sector is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. Now, we know that the area of the sector is equal to L into R upon 2. So we can say that L into R upon 2 is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. Now when we fold the sector to form an open cone, what can we say about the length of the arc of the sector and the circumference of the base of the cone? Yes, we can say that the length of the arc is equal to circumference, and we know that circumference is 2 pi r. So in place of length of arc, we will replace 2 pi r. Also, we can say that the radius of the sector, yes, it is equal to the slant height of the cone. Observe, we have radius equal to slant height. So in place of radius, we will replace small l. So we have 2 pi r into small l upon 2 equal to curved surface area of cone. Now we can cancel 2 and 2, so we are left with pi r into L. Pi r into L is pi r L, so we can say therefore the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L. Let's proceed further and now let us understand the formula for total surface area of a cone. We can say that TSA is equal to curved surface area of the cone plus area of the circular face. We know that the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L, and we also know that the area of the circular face is equal to pi r square. So we will write there pi r square. So we are left with now pi r L plus pi r square. Further, if we solve, we can take pi r as common, so we are left with L plus r inside the brackets. L plus r we can write as r plus L. So we have the formula for total surface area of a cone equal to pi r, r plus L. Let's proceed further and now let us understand the formula for volume of a cone. Volume is the capacity of the cone, and the formula for finding the volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Let's proceed further and now let us understand a very simple sum based on a cone. This is the question we have in front of us. It says that the curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeter square. Further, it says that the diameter of the cone is equal to 70 centimeter. If we have the diameter, we can calculate its radius, and radius r is equal to 70 upon 2. If we do the calculations, it is 2 1s are 2 35s are. So we have radius r equal to 35 centimeter. Further, it says that what is its slant height. So we are supposed to find small l in the sum. Now my dear students, we have been provided with the curved surface area of a cone. What is the formula to find curved surface area of cone? Yes, it is pi r L. So we'll write curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Observe, we have curved surface area of cone equal to 4070, and now we have curved surface area equal to pi r L. So the next step is, therefore 4070 is equal to pi r L. Let's substitute the values. Pi we have as 22 by 7. Radius, yes, we found out it is 35. L is something which we have to find. We can shift everything on one side and we can keep L on the other side. So we have 4070 into 7 upon 22 into 35 equal to L. Now let's do the cancellations. Yes, it is 7 ones are, 7 fives are. Next we have 5 ones are, 5 8 1 4s are. Next it is 22 ones are, yes, and 22 37s are. So we have L equal to 37 centimeter. And finally we can say therefore the slant height of the cone is 37 centimeter. Thank you.